Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are having a self-care day. I am putting the Rhiebelle gown on hold for one day because I'm tired from work and I just need the me time. I need to do something fun that's not up... I need to do something fun that's not being held to a deadline. It doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to be good. Something that I can just do for the fun of it while I relax in my bedroom. So I found this tutorial on Pinterest that originally came from TikTok, but I found it on Pinterest of how to make a moss rug. Because obviously like cottagecore stuff is very in right now. I quite like cottagecore aesthetic things. I like looking at them. I think they're super cute, and I couldn't believe how easy and simple this moss rug tutorial is, and just it's just a nice fun project that I can relax and enjoy, and I don't have to worry about like, oh my god, the final product. So I'm very excited. I'm gonna take you guys with me on this little self-care journey while I do a craft project that doesn't mean anything. It doesn't have to be anything special. It's just me and my craft supplies in the safety of the Pinky Palace bedroom. And yeah, it's gonna be great, so let's get into it. So here is everything that you're going to need for this project. You need a non-slip mat or those shelf liner thingies, as long as they have the little grid in them. You're going to need all your coloured wools. I'll probably need more wool than what I have here because it's quite big. Your cardboard donuts for making your pom-poms, and a sharp scissors. Preferably, like, not one this big, it's just this is all I have, but preferably anything that has like a sharp tip rather than just a sharp body. So we're going to start by making lots of pom-poms in our various shades of green. And to do this, you just get your two donuts. Oops. So you grab your two donuts and pop them together. Sweet. Also, you don't buy these, I just made these at an old Nintendo box. It just has to be cardboard that looks like this. Would plastic pom-pom cutters be more aesthetically pleasing? Most likely. However, completely unnecessary. So let me see, what way did I... this way. So getting it wrapped around first is the most awkward part. This is actually just a really fun project that, you know, because I do so much sewing, this is like a nice like mental health project that is literally just for me. There's no deadline. There's no outer expectations. It doesn't even have to be good. It always reminds me of that TikTok sounds like you don't have to be perfect or exceptionally great. You don't even have to be good. But I do. I have to be all those things all of the time. But no, it's very easy to feel like you have to be perfect all the time, but you really don't. And things like this are nice for that because they just remind you that things can be done for fun. You know, I don't have to monetize on this. I know a lot of you might think, oh yeah, that's really ironic because you're making a YouTube video, but like, I'm far from monetization on YouTube. I just like to record my progress of things and hope that maybe somebody will think I'm cool. But no, this doesn't have to be good. This isn't my original idea. I saw this on Pinterest and I thought, you know what? Let's give it a go. This looks nice. This looks like a fun thing that I can do for like presents. So now you're gonna slip the tip of your scissors between the two cardboard pieces and just this is why you need a sharp tip scissors, because you're exclusively going with the tip. I am eventually going to get a nice embroidery scissors at some point. Now, Okay, so you should have something like this. Yeah, you're gonna get some thread, some wool even. A little bit of stringage. Yes, I seriously underestimated how much wool I would need. And pull it really tight. And I'm gonna do one more knot just to hold it really secure. Okay. Now here's the fun part. Okay, so you take away your... Okay, and you're left with this. Now you might think that all you have to do is just kind of do this. You can if you want, but here's the best way to do it. Choose violence. Just swing it around the place, bait it a bit. And there you have it. A little moss ball. You can leave it like this or you can trim it so that it's all like round. It's completely up to you. And now I'm going to transfer you to the lap cam so that you can see how to attach it to your non-slip backing. Okay, so here's how you're going to attach your moss rug or your pom-pom to your rug. So see how these are all here? I'm going to kind of hold it up like that so you can see a bit better. So you can see there's all these little holes in the moss mat, the non-slip mat. So you're just going to pick kind of like an area that you want your pom-pom to sit. And you're going to grab your little thread and just poke it through, shove it through. Yeah. And the same with the second piece of wool as well. You want to make sure that they go through in separate holes. So I don't put them too far away from each other. I kind of keep the entry points close. Okay, so they're both in. I'm gonna pull them so that my pom-pom is sitting down. This is our one here. Then I'm gonna flip it over to the back and I'm just gonna tie a knot. And I'm just gonna trim off a little bit of that excess. And then like ideally when you're done with these, you can like trim off the excess and cover it with like special glue or a backing or something so that none of them pull out. And here we are. It's a little bit squashed up because I've had it folded up in storage while I'm working on it. Coffee break. One gajillion pom-poms later. So here's what it looks like finished after a long time, because I've been kind of doing this on and off as a kind of like self-care project for when I'm feeling burnt out, because it's just nice and simple, but it looks really cool. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I know there's kind of like one or two kind of empty spaces up here at the top by the end, but that's okay. They're not as noticeable when it's lying flat because they're kind of hanging down. So hang on, if we hold it up like that, like look at that. Obviously I have to trim the backs. I'm gonna trim and reinforce the backs, but like it's finished. It's finished and it looks great, and I'm super proud of it because it's one of those just really simple, nice projects that doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, nature is not strategically perfect. It just is, and it's perfect the way it is. So I'm super happy with it. I'm super happy with it. Look at it, it feels so fluffy. It's so squishy. Let me try to scoop it a bit better. Yeah. If you like these videos, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share them with your friends. Keep looking on my YouTube because more videos are going to be coming up soon. I had a lot of fun with this project, and I will definitely be back for more. Talk later, guys. Bye!